Jello Pilot, everybody. I'm gonna be putting in a 14-piece ring home security system. Got it from Costco a while back. We switched from Xfinity, which had our home security, and we all know that that was exceedingly expensive. We have a bunch of ring cams already, like the video doorbell and some other things. We pay $20 a month for the pro service anyway, so we might as well just add in the security system. Let's get into it. Real quick, this is Costco's 14-piece alarm kit system that I'm installing. Super easy to do. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. I don't get a kickback. I'm not affiliated with Costco, nothing like that. But $349, super easy to install. I'm showing you here in the video how you can do it. I wanted to point out Amazon's Ring store though. Amazon bought Ring. They have a ton of options for cameras. They got tons of options for different sizes of security systems, so you don't have to spend $349. And everything goes in the app, which I'm about to show you right here. All right, bringing up the Ring app on my phone. Real simple, straightforward. You can see my house is disarmed on the top left-hand side. There's my my outdoor cams, my doorbell cam. Going in the alarm, you can see everything. It brings it up, and you can see all your sensors, where they're located, if they're in a good status or if they're hooked up or not. A couple of mine aren't. The next thing is for that $20 a month, you can customize your police and fire response, which I thought was pretty in case you're into that sort of thing. So I just pushed arm my house. All I had to do was tap that button and arm it. I have to go up and make a code, nothing. Real simple. Disarming it is just the same way. I love the functionality of the app. That's just me. Unboxing. One thing to think about when you're setting up your home base, it's also a glass break sensor, and it's also the main hub for sending out the signals to all your contact sensors, your keypad, and your smoke and motion sensors. So something to think about for that. Mine is kind of the kitchen, center of the house. Great success! Time to set up that keypad. So many contact sensors. Not that hard to set up though, surprisingly. I had to clean up a lot of the old residue from the old contact sensors from the old Xfinity system. So if you're installing over an older system, make sure you clean the areas pretty well so you got a nice, sturdy, sticky, stuck fit for a long time. This is something I wanted to show with these contact sensors. It's super easy to set them up. Just make sure you have your base station set up first, and it picks it up so quick and awesomely with the app. It's amazing. Here, watch, check this out. So the light flashes. Meanwhile, on the app, it's starting to pick up the contact sensor. You heard that chime? It's ready to mount, man. It's just so easy. Gosh, what a great system. Boom. Now it's gonna walk you through the process of mounting them up. Super easy. Saying it's a secondary door for me, which is gonna be garage. Give it a name. Continue. It's a garage door. And continue. Don't put it on the hinges. Make sure the thing's clean. See the paint that was left from the old Xfinity, but there it is, rings up, ready to go. Next part of the test is super easy. Just gonna open up the door. You should see right here, little like orange or red tab. That's it, door opened. Man, it works so easy, freaking awesome. Awesome. Now it's time for the motion sensor. All right, I intend to put it back where the old motion sensor was from my old Xfinity. Hopefully it works pretty easy. So far everything else has been super smooth. That again, it's thinking on the app, connected by the beep boop. Set up your motion detector. So it picked it up pretty quick. What I want to do is put the mount up there, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to do the best I can covering up the previous Xfinity. I'm gonna do the best I can covering up the previous Xfinity holes, utilizing the ring. There we go. Up there. Totally dropped the camera. Okay, so let's see. So in the test mode right now, it says motions detected. So I'm gonna try to get out of motion. Still motion detected. All right, so it's all the way over there. I'm trying to cover this whole hallway. Okay, motion detected. It picked it up way over here. Awesome. Awesome. Cool. Basically have the same coverage with Xfinity now, just using Ring. So I got a bunch of other stuff that the Xfinity system did not come with that I have to put in for the Ring. So I'll keep going. All right, we're gonna do a test, make sure some of this stuff works. So, omen arm. Disarm. Okay, here we go. That is loud. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. Works great though. Whew. Man, it works really well. And the trick is gonna be getting one of these on the garage door. I do have the my cue for my remote opening garage door opener thing, but I wanna make sure I could have one of these on here too in case somebody tries to pull a fast one by opening up my garage door by kicking off the emergency exit thing. The red cord, whatever you wanna call it, the emergency cord. So one thing I wanted to show, so the sensor I'm using is this one right here. See how it says closed, now it's open. Cool thing, you can flip it backwards and it'll stay closed and then opened again. So now I can attach it right in here and I got a garage door sensor. Pretty cool. All right, there it is. But it's on there out of the way of the track and it works. Interesting. I'm gonna put a ring sticker here so I can remember where it is when the battery dies eventually. There we go. I hope that serves as a reminder for myself. That's where I put that sensor. I think I'm gonna put it somewhere up here, pretty central to the stairs, kind of front door entry, and in between master and other bedrooms. So 3 to 6 inches away from that bad boy right there. Just in case, there's actually a pretty cool arrow showing which way smoke CO alarm this side. So it's gonna go up there, that side of it. Not this side, but that side. Cool. I better clean up all that dust. Bye-bye, Xfinity Home Security. Thank you, Ring 14-piece setup. This was from Costco. You don't have to get that one. If you have any questions, please leave some comments below. If you found any value in this video, please subscribe, please comment. Let me know what you think. I did not install, I have an extra door sensor, window sensor, sliding sensor, whatever you want to call it, plus the range extender. I have not used these yet. I haven't figured out what I'm going to do with them. But otherwise, it works really, 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 really well. So I have some links down in the description that are similar to this. They're probably cheaper than the one at Costco, and they are probably a better fit for homes that could be smaller or apartments. Either way, if you make a purchase, it's greatly appreciated. Otherwise, John the Pilot, see ya.